Chapter 2, The Climate and Natural Resources of Gujarat. Dear children, we experience different climatic conditions in the different seasons. We experience severe cold in winter and severe heat in summer. We also experience heavy rainfall during monsoon. And there are three seasons: winter, summer, and monsoon. Now, in all these three seasons, we experience different climate and temperature. So, in this chapter, we discussed about climatic condition and natural resources of Gujarat. First, we discussed about climate. The average weather conditions like consistent temperature and humidity for a specific period of time in course is called climate. Gujarat experiences variations in climate. You see seasonal winds from Gujarat, from Rajasthan to Gulf of Kutch. Maximum part of land of Gujarat lies in the torrid zone. Therefore, it experiences hot summers and cold winters. The seashores of Gujarat experience less heat in summer, less cold in winter, and more rainfall during monsoon. So it is said to have moderate climate. The shores experience oceanic climate. The tourist centers near the coast like Tithal, Ubharat, Nargol, Chorwad, Prabhas Patan, Ahmadpur, Mandvi, Kutch are such places. Now we discussed about characteristics of climate of Gujarat. First, winter. The temperature is low in almost all the places of Gujarat from December to February generally. The atmosphere is cold during winter season. Minimum temperature experience in winter season in the month of January. Cold and stormy winds blow from the central sea over Gujarat, due to which some parts of Gujarat experience a little bit of rainfall, which is called sour, means Mauthu in Gujarat. Now, summer. The temperature remains high from March to May in Gujarat. Highest temperature experience in May. In the winter, we feel January more cold, and in summer in May month summer. In many parts of Gujarat, temperature reaches up to 45 degrees Celsius. The temperature is moderate near the coastal areas due to waves and tides. Now, third, monsoon. After May, due to the southwest monsoon winds, the proportions of humidity increases in the air and it results in rainfall from June to September and is known as the rainy season. From the second or third week of June, the monsoon season starts with thunder, a storm. Sometimes the wind blow at the speed of 100 kilometers hour. Such cyclonic wind cause heavy destruction near the coastal areas. Now, the effect of climate on human life. Changing seasons bring a refreshing change in our daily routine. Our life is affected with the cycle of season. We celebrate enthusiastically the fairs and festivals during different seasons. By celebrating different festivals, we enjoy change and happiness, which gives us to peace. Now here you see here Dalpat Ram Kavi's poem, the description of various seasons. શિયાળે શીતલવા વાય પણ ખારે ગાઉ પેદા થાય પાકે ગોલ કપાસ કઠોલ તેલ ધારે ચાવે તંબોલ ધારે શરીરે દેગાલી થાલ ફરે ગરીબ તના પગ ગાલ ઘાટે દિવસ ઘણી મોટી રાત તન મન જોર મળે ભલી ભાત ઉનાળે ઉંદન જલ જાય નદી સરોવર જલ સુકાય. It is the poem of season. With the change in season, there is a change in food habits and clothing. People wear woolen clothes in winter and cotton clothes in summer. During monsoon, people use raincoat and umbrella to protect themselves from rain, which the change in season. We get to notice the change in the variety of crops and fruits. People enjoy eating berries and guavas in winter and mangoes in summer, whereas blackberries are savored in monsoon. Now, natural resources we discussed in lecture 2.